The Moman MT12 Teleprompter Kit uses a large, tempered beam splitter glass panel that keeps text crisp and readable, even at a comfortable distance, which noticeably cuts down on retakes. Its all-metal chassis feels solid and stable, giving you confidence that your camera or smartphone is well supported during longer shoots. An adjustable viewing angle and hood make it easy to maintain natural eye contact whether you are seated or standing, which helps on-camera delivery feel more relaxed. The generously sized tablet clamp accepts full-size tablets and includes a phone holder, so it works smoothly with a wide range of mobile devices you may already own. A largely pre-assembled design means setup and packing away are quick, making this teleprompter practical for home studios, offices, and on-location work. Tight integration with the companion application and included remote allows fine control over text size, speed, and appearance without touching the camera, which streamlines solo recording.